Today I'm going to show you how to install your hard water filter in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. To begin, all you need is your hard water filter and some thread tape. As you can see, I've already added the thread tape to my shower arm. But let's add the thread tape now to the hard water filter together to see just how easy it is. First, get your thread tape. And you're going to want to wrap the thread tape in the direction of the thread. So in this case, it's clockwise. Secure one end with your finger and just start wrapping. And make sure that you wrap the thread 2 or 3 times around is usually pretty good, but you want to make sure that you're getting all the thread wrapped with the thread tape. All right, once you have it, just hold it with your finger and give it a good tug. Okay. Now that the thread tape is there, you want to grab your fingers and then just go the direction of the thread to smooth it out. So adding this thread tape is just going to ensure that there is a tight seal and that there's no leakage. All right, let's now attach it to the shower arm. Make sure it's nice and tight. You can now attach your shower hose or adapter to the hard water filter. And there you have it. Your hard water filtration system is now in place and ready to provide you with healthier, cleaner water. With this hard water filtration system, you will probably feel the effects on your hair and skin very soon. To learn more about how to install our products, go to howto.stone.stream.